So friend, this my blue sky channel here, and this my computer showing internet options. So what is the internet option and how can we using internet options here? So you can see just internet options and why using internet option. This option working on only network and internet systems here. So last video, my video, this internet rap student I'm created already. So watch my last previous video. What is the autoplay and how can we use an autoplay? What is the default programs? What is your calendar manager? How can we using calendar manager? My all video watch control panel playlist and how can we using this system and technologies here. So you can you take more increase your security and your save your computer. So what is the administrator tools? I am already create all of video here. Okay, so watch my video control panel playlist, all video my part wise, and watch my video part was either you cannot understand. So internet option and why using internet options here. So this is internet option working only for on internet and network here. So this is internet options is very important and security management your network and other systems available in how many type and how can we using these systems here. So this is all of control panel in here showing here. So you can see just this my internet option properties here. So let's start these how can we using these systems and computer here. So this is available all of Windows operating systems here. So let's start and configure this system. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this module you can see here this online Nettech sketch. This type right and search here and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced you can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me and you maybe like. So this is very good for you and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So friend, this my internet options you can see just here and first understand why using this internet option. What is internet options? So first you are anything using a computer. In your computer you are using internet and your computer connect other server systems here. So you first need internet either your network. So this is using internet options. So internet on, lot of server available, lot of website available, and your systems going into connect with this other server and connecting with internet. So you are connected in internet, and internet connect you find anything your system. So this is internet in very important, and internet in different types devices, routers, switch, wireless router, satellites, anything your data going and going with a government company, corporate company, school, college server, network channel, private company, security of internet, anything your internet company, anything. So using your, and just likely you are going Google and using Google server going. So you connect anything your cable through, either you connect with wireless through your network in your internet. So this is using internet options, your laptop, your desktop, anything your. So this is a security very advanced, and this time internet option very important for you control your internet access for client to internet, and you are connect in your company. So this is you control your your data and request of your internet. Some client not need internet, so you can stop and block connection of your internet connection, but you are using a private home desktop. So you can you configure an internet access, you set up limitation. So this is a configuration how can work these systems. And so this I'm only showing Windows system only, and this all of settings not available in your system. I'm start only Windows 7, and this is how it's work in system here. So lot of this is a Microsoft company created, and this is a 2000 Windows 2000 server. But now these are more important your devices, and very important some your system security. So this already create advanced option with add client computer, your personal computer, anything. So what is a client computer? You are connect in your company network, and your server system in your client computer access here. So this is a client computer using is as your network server network here. So this is your client computer using internet, maybe you are give permission. So this is internet in some virus, some problem, hackers and crackers, anything. So internet work control from your internet option, check with the firewall. So this is control your network and internet system. So first already some default settings set by Microsoft company, but you can custom setting with the information some systems here. So what is the advantage of your internet options these systems here? So first I will discuss in some very important famous and settings here. I will again deeply showing here. So you can you block your website, some website very harmful, bad behavior type, you know block connection, unnecessary connection, you can block your connection. Internet permission set up in these systems here, and some information and some connection your user internet using content control, and your control your user your internet access programs and other systems. And you can manage protocols and some protocols. What is the protocol I will discuss in network series. Block pop-up, so pop-up event tap add in your system. Delete cookies, website information, and history. So I will discuss in this practical video. So let's start how can we using this internet option. So this is my computer in showing me internet properties, and this is very important for my computer. So first click on this internet option and click on this tab on anything you want change. All tab working other different work here. So first just I'm showing only this tab. All of working these internet properties in this tab here. Okay, you can see just here. First click on general. So what is the general in systems here? So you can see this home page. What is a home page? So home page is one type of showing me all of general these showing all of general options here. So home page, to create a home page tabs, and you're using Firefox browser, Google Chrome browser. So home page by default, what is the open home page? So I'm already set in my computer www.google.com. You can see here. So this is I'm already told you this option only for network here and internet. So this is automatically, but this is open in Google browser. So this is a new tab created. That means your new tab open again. New tab, that means you can open other session in your website. So what is a session I will discuss in network series. But today I'm just showing only this page. Why page this? How this page open? So this is showing only my Google Chrome browser here. Google browser installed this by default this page here, and Google need internet for this upon Google website here. So I have not internet because I'm just showing only anything problem, so I can change anything. So to create a home page tabs, type each address of on its own line. So this is my browser, and I'm always some information find in my internet. So first I'm using Google company. So Google company is one type of search engine very best in result for website find. So I'm using www.google.com. Microsoft company new created Bing systems here, www.bing.com. So about tab, what is about user new tab? So you can mention new tab upon other website in systems here. But this is only for working Microsoft default browser. Microsoft default browser mean Internet Explorer, not working only Google Chrome. So Internet Explorer working. I'm just showing only Google Chrome, and I will discuss in Internet Explorer how many systems is working here. So this is my www.google.com. I'm right here, and this is some you can add other website by default. Open click on new tab, and automatically these open this your website directly. So this is a showing default create your system default your start your manage system. Click on apply and OK. So that means my complete these systems here. So use default means that means you Internet Explorer open here. Startup. What is a startup? You start your your browser here. This start system here. So that is a session. That means your system. So this is a system working in your browser. So this is not directly open in Google Chrome. You are open Internet Explorer. So I'm just showing only Google Chrome, not anything changing Google Chrome, because this is a default other system using, but this all of data going internet properties through. So startup, you can start system. So start with the home page here. So this is a start page with home page. So this is a Google home page here. Background side you can see tabs. So change to web page display in your tabs. So this is a tabs. I'm open Internet Explorer. This is a Explorer open here, and this is created this browser Google Chrome Google company created. So you are open tab. So what first what is a showing tab in a browser here? So warn me when closing multiple tabs. So you are you close multiple tabs in your system. So this is a give a warning to you. You are tab, I'm create again open this tab here. So this I'm close. So this is a warning give me. Always switch to new tab when they are created. So always switch a new tab. Anything I'm writing and anything I'm click on new link. So automatically open other new tab here. So you can set in your computer and showing a new tab in website data here. So website contain in images, some letters, some your paragraph, anything. So new open systems here. So preview for individual tabs in the taskbar. So this is a taskbar showing previous individual some tabs in your store in you can start in taskbar. So this is a taskbar showing in, you can see downside these so this is a green line and this is a taskbar showing this so I don't like these systems in my computer. So this you can set here set is a taskbar system. Enable tab groups. So this is a showing a tab group. So by default is Internet Explorer some your system access for your group this here. Okay, so this is a tab, but I'm showing only Google Chrome. This special only for these created Internet Explorer. Your internet you can see. So this is not Google Chrome for settings. This is using your Microsoft browser Internet Explorer systems here. So this is showing me these Google lot of 4 tabs. That means this my group here. Okay, open only the first home page when Internet Explorer start. So I'm already told you this is all of setting Internet Explorer. This is browser, this browser. So this is a Microsoft created browser and this is a main home your systems in your system. So this is a home page showing me in my computer. So I can click on this system, but I don't like this. You can click on you want a home page your systems anything. So this is the when a new tab is open. So you are open your browser and you are create open other your new tab. So what is in showing this tab? So blank page, anything your system new website, anything. So I like only the new tab page. This is my settings here. So not showing in this Google Chrome browser, only Internet Explorer this software. But I'm just showing only this by these your Google Chrome systems here. So not anything in fact in my Google Chrome system because this is an Internet Explorer Microsoft browser system working here. So you can see just this my computer here. Okay, and this is a when pop-up encounter. Pop-up is one type of your website ad. So you want pop-up block pop-up not should be open, not open new window, anything. So you can block your pop-up sometime you're in your computer showing advertise and ads some your showing in your website showing some advertise just like movies others product showing advertise for website. So this is Internet Explorer in not showing in some pop-up block. You can using a pop-up block systems here. So this is all of a system working in Internet Explorer only. So this is internet options related different type very important settings inside this some people not understand so internet option why using internet options in different type options available in your systems in your computer control panel systems. So this is a very important for internet and internet related some options this security wise here. So I will continue this video because this is a video very long. This video I will continue these other settings in internet options part 2. So I will continue this video part 2. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, and click on share. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day.